Based near the village of Cumber in County Down in the north of Ireland, TG Eakin Limited is a successful, award-winning medical device manufacturer. Starting out as a family business, it remains family-owned and run to this day. All of our products are designed, developed and manufactured on-site before being shipped to over 40 countries worldwide. The story begins decades earlier with pharmacist Thomas George Eakin, my dad, the man who had a strong singular desire to help people with a stoma.
Here we are in the village of Dundonald, where my chemist shop used to be. Back in 1974, things were very different, not least the ostomy bags that were available. The first disposable ostomy bags had just been manufactured to replace the reusable rubber ones. Skin irritation and leakage were constant problems that I had to deal with. It was such problems, combined with the experience of having a close family member with a urostomy, that motivated me to design and make my own products and improve the quality of life of those with a stoma. I bought the house next door and built a small factory behind my pharmacy, and so TG Eakin Limited was born. Amongst other important issues, I needed to create a skin-friendly adhesive designed to act as a protective and healing barrier between the bag and the skin, yet be compatible with bowel mucosa. Needing to experiment with difficult adhesive formulations, I modified this old Hobart mixer, and so began the tedious journey. It took some 4 years before cohesive formula was ready to be tested on patients. I launched the cohesive seal with some anxiety, but not for long. Patients and nurses loved it. It was a success and I could get some sleep. In the beginning, cohesive seals were cut manually, but as demand for cohesive began to take off, automation was needed. My father was an engineer and a road contractor who gave me great freedom to explore the concepts of engineering from a young age. Since there were no off-the-peg machines to manufacture seals, I drew upon this experience to design and build the first automatic cutting machine. I built it in the backyard and it worked first time. This increased production tenfold, which took great pressure off very hard-working staff. As demand steadily grew, so did our need for larger premises. We moved a short distance to our current site at Ballystockard. By 1988, I started exporting to 5 countries in the first year. This was a very busy time. In 1990, my 2 sons, Paul and Jeremy, asked to join me. Jeremy took over sales and marketing of our seals and our iconic wound pouches. He successfully expanded our network of international distributors with whom we enjoy a close relationship. Paul joined the company as operations manager until he was appointed to manage the Cardiff site and has overseen many more acquisitions since then. While we've been incredibly successful, we need to keep abreast of world developments, so our research and development department have been working diligently in various fields to produce a full range of products for stoma and wound care patients, amongst other items. To this day, the secret of my cohesive formula remains confidential and is known only to a few responsible people. While it is moldable, cohesive seals are made in multiple shapes and sizes in order to meet the needs of more users, while always staying true to that original winning formulation. Although I am semi-retired, I serve on the board of directors, helping to guide the Eakin group of companies, ensuring that new products and company objectives are in the best interests of the patient. I also make time for a round of golf and my long-suffering wife, Nurse Pat, who for 56 years has made time for me.